Hi everyone! For this video, we are going to talk about how to create a Chinese name. For friends who want to learn Chinese, I will suggest that before you start the course, you should first choose a Chinese name that you like and suits you. After creating a Chinese name, practice the pronunciation and share it to your families and friends. This is similar to buying sports tools or clothes before exercising. It will help to reinforce your interest in Chinese and persevere in learning Chinese. So next, I will introduce how to create a favorite and suitable Chinese name for yourself step by step. After watching this video and following the steps I suggest, your Chinese name will be born. So firstly, I will talk you through the structure and the number of Chinese names and their differentiation with the English names. And step 2, I will give you very clear instructions about how to create your surname in Chinese. And step 3, I will demonstrate how to create your given name. So first of all, Chinese names generally consist of 3 or 2 Chinese characters, with the first characters being the surname and the following characters being the given name. There are also 4-character names because some surnames consist of 2 characters, but they are not that common. I believe most people heard that their Chinese name is somewhat related to their original native language name. Chinese character contains 1 syllable per character, while language like English may have multiple syllables in one word. For example, the Chinese American movie star Bruce Lee's name consists of 3 characters, which means 3 syllables. 李小龙，李小龙。Another Hollywood Chinese American female star, Michelle Yeoh, has a 3-character name as well, which means 3 syllables. Yang Ziqiong, Yang Ziqiong. On the other hand, names like Michael Jackson require 6 characters in Chinese to represent the same pronunciation. 迈克尔·杰克逊。Moreover, this is just a transliteration and not a proper and natural Chinese name. So, understanding these differences, it's time to consider some criteria about how to create a satisfied Chinese name for yourself. So, the next step is to create your surname. In fact, not every Chinese character can be used as a surname. Later, I will show you top 100 family surnames, which are the most common Chinese surnames for you to choose from. You can consider 2 factors when creating a character as your surname. One way to do it is to choose by pronunciation, which is similar to your native surname, or simply choose ones you like. Or you can choose by the form of the character which you find it cool or easy to write. And of course, you can choose one that is difficult to write, which can also become a kind of stylish symbol. What you see here is the top 100 family surname. You can choose out the form of the character you like and the relevant pronunciation. note, you can also give your requirements to ChatGPT and let it give you some suggestion. For example, I told the ChatGPT that my native name is Michael Jordan, and I want my Chinese surname has the phonetic similarity to Jordan's, and at the same time sounds like a traditional Chinese surname. And then it come back to me with 乔. So the next step is to create a given name. I will suggest you to consider 3 criteria when you're doing it. Number 1, phonetic similarity to your native name. Number 2, positive meanings or specific meanings you want. Number 3, sounds like a traditional Chinese name. So how to complete it? Please brief to your ChatGPT. Here's my brief samples. My English name is Michael Jordan, and I have decided my Chinese surname is Qiao. Now, please try to strike a balance between the phonetic similarities. Positive meanings, for example, means delightful and braveness, and traditional Chinese elements, and then propose me a full Chinese name. I want to have 10 options, can be in 3 characters or only 2 characters. And please tell me why you propose it. So it comes back to me with 10 options. You can choose ones you like most. Now, please follow the above steps to give your own child. I can't wait to hear your guys' Chinese name. Please do let me know that on the webpage. See you! If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you and see you!